He'll pop out right side.
Yeah. He's peeking, trying.
So we push up. You want to push up to that? To our left.
Wait one. Do you want to? Wait. Hang back.
He's peeking out. He peeked out from the left. One going far right. Two going far right.
Yep.
Fuck it. Let's get up there. We're not doing shit here. And again, are we doing anything over there? Pushing in!
Stay down. Don't peek that window. You know what I mean?
Unless we're not going all out.
You never half-ass shenanigans. Oh, my magazines are backwards.
Oh, yeah, really?
Got him!
Don't peek this window, there's a someone shooting that way.
Yeah.
One down in the creek far left.
He's down, or you see him?
Hostile down.
Okay.
Oh, hit! Is he over here?
No. Hit! That's it. Ah!
Where, Ricky? Where?
10 o'clock that way. So, he's in the doorway. I'm hot.
Got it. Let me get in there with the optic.
No, he's not speaking yet. I see him peeking. Hang on. So behind that wall.
On the crossing? Good?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get moved across, I think.
Watch this doorway! Left side! See that door? Plug him up.
Yep.
Dan, you still there?
I'm here.
Okay. Good, double check it. Alright.
Watch Big Day.
Alright, Panda, okay. Sorry. You're good, you're good. Everyone! Hey, watch it, shoot! Keep your head down!
You done?
Yeah. That's not like this.
Hit you. Blue and Hawks. One blue that way. Red man coming out of Hawks. Send Meg. Is he employed Panda? There's some people in Panda. What?
Dude, he's in Panda right now. Picking up doorway.
I'm picking up way too much. What do you want me to do?
Just stay here?
Yeah?
He's in the doorway of Panda.
That way.
Oh. Wait, stop.
Oh, sorry! Cover me. That should be fine, but... Ah! Nope.
Down about 4. One down behind the building.
Oh, he's in the building?
He's dead. I got him. Let our friendly move. Don't shoot. If they push up, shoot. But
There's one guy way back there. You see on the street right?
yeah. He's pushing up right. He's behind. You can't see him. I got him.
I hit him. There's still one back in there.
Our guy on creek is down.
Well, I'm going to try and get him off over there.
Gotcha. I'll keep him clear here. Copy. I don't see any, but I saw one running back, so he'll be back here in a minute. Copy.
We need to get that bird. We just put acid injections.
One going into the creek. He's all the way in their back.
Oh, that's new. Okay.
One guy pushing up creek.
Where we got guys at? Where are they at?
I know there's one in creek. That's all I know. He's way back there.
You know, get the one on the left side of the road behind the cover.
Yeah.
I'll get the guy over here. No, we still got a guy behind the black barricade, left side of the road, 20 meters in.
Got him. Did one just go behind the barricade close to us?
Was he not friendly?
That guy's blue.
Where? I thought he had blue on.
Okay, I just saw movement, that's all. Alright, you want to push up to the barricade right there?
The what? The building?
Yeah.
Copy.
He's down. Huh?
That's friendly, right?
Yeah, he's...
Oh! Down.
I can't peek through this.
Okay. Well, we're getting shot at.
Well, if they're shooting at us, they're shooting at him.
Well, I can see him waiting right here. Alright. Darren, want to bound and set to that building?
Copy. One of us bounds up to the white barrel and then...
I'll go straight for the building.
There. Who goes first? You me.
I'll go first. I'm right here.
Alright.
Ready?
Yep.
Do it!
I can't move up.
There's another one. Left side of the road, behind one cover, repeating.
Get him!
Alright. Down this way. I'm about to bound this way.
That's right.
Ah, crap. Alright, 3, 2, 1, bounding. Oh, it's pinned.
On the left, hey, watch here.
Huh?
Hey, pilot helmet. Here, 20 meters in, behind the wooden.
I see him.
Randy, David!
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Who was he? That way?
But he's pissed that I'm here.
Yeah.
One moved in the creek, 4! Alright, I'm gonna move to where you, right there.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. That was very exposed right there.
I don't know if I'm making moves or that's friendly now. I can't.
Let me look.
No, it's not that. I can see something moving, but I don't know. Like, I can't see any more details besides movement. I'm like a T-Rex right now.
You gonna make roaring sounds? They got mad at us.
Oh, they can't get in here now.
Oh, we're here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold this way.
God, I hope no one comes rushing here.
We're fucked. If they do that, we're fucked. We got a guy that way, friendly.
Yeah.
He's watching us, so.
God, I hope no one comes rushing here.
If they do that, we're fucked. We got a guy that way, friendly.
Yeah.
He's watching us, so.
Is this flash or what? Well, I don't want to tie.
Yeah, but if we sit here and hold it, we have. So, like, if we move,
Yeah.
still lose it.
There.
Because then we'll have no one holding it on.
Anyway,
There's no one over there, I don't think.
I'm going to shoot. Don't worry about it, okay?
Gotcha. Don't hit my dick.
There we go. I wanted burst fire. It's a bit close. Probably mid. I can hear the gunfire. But you can take it.
I guess you covered this way.
Right now!
I love the smell of propane in the morning.
No!
You got my spare?
Yeah. I think it's happening right there.
Hold on. Go, girl. That one's got some extra ass to it.
Okay. Ah! Oh, wait, no. There's no one there. Never mind.
I got one possible hostile way this way. That's definitely hostile. You're not gonna be able to hit him with that.
I'm not gonna.
You're gonna have to use the rifle.
I didn't think my rifle can have that range.
Blue coming in.
Easy there, cowboy!
That kind of hurt.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Push hard.
There. Hey, Taylor, I got an idea. Can you see through that crack?
No.
No, you can't see it all?
It's
Okay. I hear so much movement.
Hey, watch out, there's two in the woods right there. Where's it going? I'm good, though. Where's that fish out on this? I'm good. What is it, the dual Maverick from DL3? 1 minute! 1 minute! I don't know, I'm scared of this guy right here. Bro, imagine that's all you see when you run in.
Richie.
Oh my god. What is domination?
If they come in here, they're not leaving alive.
Hey, he's in the woods right there, right there, right there, right there. I got it. Huh? I got it.
Hold this one.
Honestly, and my knees feel better now, so we're good. I can run now. Okay. My knee kind of went on the stick. That kind of hurt.
You guys are gonna have like 5 seconds to start running.
Hello?
You guys are gonna have like 5 seconds to start
What
running.
do you mean? Let's go!
It's like almost done.
Okay, good. Oh my god!
I believe in you!
Save your energy for the next game, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's early in the day.
I'm good, go. Okay. Okay, go! He's down. Yeah. I'm moving!
Break right, break left, in the creek. Go to the line, go to the line.
Oh! It's coming undone and it hit my ankle. I'm fine.
One behind the water.
Oh. Oh. I'll just carry it. Where are they?
There you go. Up on that line, bound up. Bound up together.
Darren.
What?
Alright, nice. Not that we could have a shot for you.
Hey, alright. My wood's stuck in my backyard. God, that's
Yeah, see him. You got alright, Darren?
crossing.
Negative.
Think I can do it? Hit! You can do it. Go. Don't stop moving. You keep going. You keep running. If you can't stop by me, come on. You keep moving. Keep going! Almost there! Keep moving!
Yeah.
Good job!
Oh, I tripped. I almost tripped. Oh, my ankle.
You okay?
Yeah, I almost tripped, but I had to bang it once. Watch out. Yo.
Darren. Think you a good shot?
Where does it need to be?
In the doorway of yellow. Just nail a hole. Or you want me to do it? Here. You see that window? There's a nail doorway?
Yep. Oh! The wind got it.
Get another one.
The wind took it.
Alright.
This is no right side.
I know, it's...
Right side yellow. Right side yellow.
I'm getting slow enough. Wrong side.
Shit.
Take a breath, take a breath, Darren.
I am. I'm fine.
Okay, you want to try again?
I'll let you try. You get video of both of us trying.
Okay, tight.
Oh yeah. I'll cover you.
Hey, plywood.
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 Tell me when you're ready.
Alright, buddy.
Like, on you?
Behold my ultimate! Ah, come on! Forget it! What? Every time I do it! Ah, nuts! Hit!
I'm clear on the side. Walking us over here? Nope.
The yellow's right there. It was in the yellow building, not yellow team.
Oh.
Is that... What's he doing? I think he's dead.
What is it?
Nothing.
I think we're just not doing anything here.
Well, maybe keep an eye on yellow. Alright, what about,
Guys over here just got out.
I need to move. Dang! Ah! Yeah!
No, no! Oh. Oh. Yeah, I slipped. I'm good though.
There's an enemy. I hit him.
Good.
He's down.
Is he out?